Hey everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabby and today I have for you a lower abdominal workout. Lower abs, one of the hardest ab areas to tackle, but I'm going to do with you today some exercises to really help define your lower abdominals. If you've not already hit the subscribe button, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out every time I upload a new workout, and also follow the Instagram at TaylorToned. If you've got any questions or feedback, just drop it down below in the comment section after the workout, and anything you would like to see, let me know. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into the workout, and also I'll pop the name at the bottom of the screen. Let's get straight into it. This is a 10-minute workout. Let's get straight into our first exercise. Bring your hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, into an all-fours position. Eye line to the floor. Now pull the belly button up and in. I want you to tuck the toes under. Now lift the knees up and away. So you're in towards a plank preparation position here. You're going to step the feet together. I want you to press your ankles together, toes together, and the knees together. You've got this gorgeous box position with your body. Inhale in. Exhale away. Now you're going to open the knees to the side, keep the ankles together, close the knees and tap. Lift the knees up, open the knees to the side, close them back together, tap the knees back down. As you lift the knees off, imagine you have something balancing on your back that you really do not want to drop. Lift the knees up, open them to the side, squeeze together and drop back down. We've got 3 more like this. Keep going, squeeze together and lower down. 2 more. Lift the knees, open them out, close back together and drop. 1 more. Lift the knees up, open them out to the side, close them, now hold. I want your arms gorgeously straight. I want those knees hovering 1 millimeter from the floor, and you have your belly button pulled right up towards your back, up to the spine. Inhale in and exhale away. You've got it. Just hold for 10, for 9, for 8. Keep squeezing the belly button in. 7, go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Drop the knees back down. Now hands stay underneath your shoulders. The spine stays where it is. Tuck the toes under. Now send the feet all the way backwards. I want you to, from this position, lower one forearm down and then the other forearm down. Now your shoulders are stacked over the top of your elbows. You're going to clasp your hands together and take a little prayer position, like you are praying, get me through this workout. Shoulders over the top of your elbows. Now we're coming into that lower abdominal work. You're going to walk the feet backwards and then walk them in forwards again. So inhale, exhale, walk the feet backwards. Then you must remember, ears, shoulders, hips are in one straight alignment. So you're walking back, challenging the lower abdominals. How far can you get away from your elbows as you walk back? So the feet step back, hold, all the way forwards. If you can feel this in the bottom of your spine, you need to be tucking your tailbone under, squeezing your hip bones, trying to get your hips to your belly button. Walk forward. We've got 3 more walking. All the way back. Get those lower abdominals burning and shaking. Remember why you switched on this video today, because you want to change your lower abdominals. You want to have an impact on your body. So keep going. Don't drop out. 1 more. Walk back. Walk it forward. Now you're going to hold it here. Stay. Squeeze the navel up. Keep breathing in. Exhale. I want you to challenge yourself now. You're going to step the feet backwards as far as you can and hold. So I am shaking right here with you too. Your feet are backwards. Your weight is pushing backwards. Give me 10 seconds here. 9, 8, you've got it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Quick breather, toes together. Open through the knees, push the hips backwards. Inhale in and exhale away. Well done. You're going to roll yourself all the way up. Give yourself a shoulder roll. Bring both the feet, and now you're going to sweep them all the way around and forwards and lower yourself down on towards your back. You want to bring your palms, push them to the floor. We're going reverse crunch. You want to step 1 foot up, press the sole of your foot to the ceiling or the sky if you're working out in the garden. Bring the other foot up. Both feet are pressing to the ceiling. Now push the palms into the floor. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Inhale, Exhale, tuck the hips in, press something into the ceiling, and lower back down. Inhale, exhale, tuck the hips, press the ceiling away, and lower back down. So reverse crunch position. Now the aim here is to be driving the soles of your feet to the ceiling and lower. The hips, they tuck in under, they push and go back down. Now you are not, really important, you are not, I'm gonna do a demonstration, don't do this because you won't tone those lower abdominals. You wanna press your feet to the ceiling and lower. You should feel it on the outside of the abs, down at the bottom, squeeze up and lower back down. Inhale, exhale, we're gonna keep on going and lower back down. Well done. You are over halfway through your ab workout today. We're gonna change your lower abdominals, make the difference you want. Now try not to let the feet move or tip the hips up, it gets deeper. Try not to let those feet move. Tip and lift, keep going. Inhale, keep going, exhale, all the way, drop those hips back down. Keep pressing hips up, hips down. Now really send your eye line to your toes and do not let them move. They're just going straight up on a straight line. Imagine you've got your heels up against a wall. You're pushing up the wall, lower back down. Give me 5, I know, up. Oh, lower back down, feeling it. 4 more, up, lower back down. Just go 3, up, and lower back down. Just go 2 more, up, and lower back down. 1 more, up, lower back down. Now we are not done. Quick surprise upper ab blast. You're gonna grab under your thighs, you're gonna tuck your chin into your chest. Now lift all the way up and hold. I want you to scoop your eye line onto your thighs. You've got this. Inhale in right now with me. Exhale, let's lift a little bit higher. Now you can either stay here and start to pulse up, lift, or you can bring one hand away. Can we get there? And start reaching towards your toes. Option. Further, reach both hands up and squeeze. It burns, I know. After you've just done those planks and those reverse crunches, lift, little up, little squeeze. Just give me 10, 9, reach with your toes, 7, 6, 5, 4, it burns, 3, 2, 1. Well done, draw the knees in. Give yourself a little rock side to side. Rock back, rock all the way up and forwards. Now you're gonna bring your fingertips towards your heels here. Really important, those fingertips go towards your heels. Now you're gonna bring your toes up and on towards a point. Now squeeze the inner thighs together. Inhale in. You're gonna exhale, bend the elbows, just shoot 1 foot forward. Bring it back in now, opposite. Inhale, exhale, out, lengthen, and squeeze, lift it back up again. Inhale, exhale, out, lengthen, and then lift it back up again. So you're bending through the elbows, elongating the leg, and lifting up again. 1 more single, elongate, and lift it back up. Now you're gonna glue your inner thighs together, lift the toes off. Inhale, exhale, bend the elbows, shoot long, squeeze up and lift. If this is too much for you today, you could always go back to that single leg drop. Now I want you to get your lumbar spine, the bottom of your back, to the floor as you incline backwards. And you should feel it right through the abdominal wall, into your abs. Inhale, exhale, we've got this drop. Lift it back up, all the way down. Now press the lumbar spine down, incline backwards, all the way back. Lift all the way up, you've got this. Inhale, exhale, lift up, keep on going. You've got just 5 more of these. Lift it back up, 4 more, bend into the elbows, rock the body back and lift. Keep going, 3 more, drop back, lift it back up, 2 more, you can do it. Drop backwards, lift it back up. Now this last one, you're gonna hold it. So I want you to lower all the way down and hold, bend through the elbows, point the toes. Now you can either stay here and hold this if it burns enough, or we can go challenge, 1 hand away. Maybe you've done this workout a couple of times. Can you go 2 hands away and change? If you're feeling so advanced today and you really want to burn, change legs. Cross, 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 switch. You've got it. Just go for a final 10, 9, tuck the hips under. Go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, well done. You have 1 more thing to go today. You're going to shoot the feet all the way round behind yourself. Now I want you to bring yourself back into that plank position. You can do this. And now tuck the toes under and we are going to step the feet all the way backwards and hold yourself a perfect plank. Perfect plank. The middle of the back is going up towards the ceiling. I'm teaching a Pilates plank here. You're going to squeeze your belly button to the back of your spine. Shoulders are over the top of your wrists. Inhale, exhale. We're going to lower down to the forearms. You're going to go back into your first move. Prayer position with the palms. Shoulders over the top of the knees. Inhale in. You've got this. Exhale. We're going to walk your feet backwards and we're going to hold. So you want to be driving your head away from your thumbs, pushing through the heels. The weight is pushed backwards. Can you step the feet even further away? Give me a final 7. Oh my gosh, 6, 5, 4. It's over in 3, 2, 1. Well done. Safely lower yourself down into a child's pose. Push things backwards, reaching forwards. Inhale. Exhale, elongate through the spine, reach the fingertips forward. You have made it through your 10-minute lower abs workout. Slowly rolling yourself all the way up. Give yourself a little shoulder roll around. Your workout is over and done. If you want to combine this with something else, head back to my homepage. There's loads of workouts on there. There's thigh workouts, there's arm workouts, there's booty workouts, there's warm-ups on there, cool downs. Go and check it out. Make sure you hit subscribe. See you again next time. Bye.